All right, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm gonna be talking about how to create a $5,000 SMMA offer and how you can literally just copy and paste mine. So I'm gonna kind of go over some of the tiers that we have for that $5,000 offer. So like, comment, and subscribe if you're an SMMA owner. I actually have a program coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm basically going to be undercutting like all of these SMMA gurus who are selling you some $5,000 program, which I think is just stupid. You could just copy and paste my exact same strategies for less than $100 and just come into my ecosystem and just be awesome. And let you show you the insides and out of my business, but I'll still be giving you daily free content just like this anyway. So yeah, let's hop right into this video.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So in the $5,000 a month offer that you should be pushing for SMMA, you're gonna have to include email and SMS. You can't really run a $5,000 offer without email and SMS. And if you don't have email and SMS, you better start building out SOPs and hiring people for this, because emails are the biggest ROI that a client can have. And if they're able to spend $5,000 a month, that business is generating at least $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month in revenue. Which means that they're, obviously have a bigger email list, and every single email subscriber they have should be making them at least, 0.6 to $1 if they're like low ticket ecom, mid ticket ecom, and then if they're high ticket, they should be making them $5 to $7 every single subscriber that they have a month. So just kind of bring that into your KPIs and what you can obviously put in your, pitch deck, whatever you're doing on your sales calls or sales script. So within our $5,500 offer, it says, it's called our accelerator. We priced it at $5,500. You can do $5K, but it basically says best for businesses who want all the above, plus fully customized, done for you email, plus SMS campaigns for maximum sales. So everything you need to launch your Facebook, Instagram, Google ad campaigns, full funnel, top, middle, and back traffic, conversion, and optimization. So what we mean by top, middle, and back is top is all your cold traffic, right? Top is all of the cold interest, all the cold targeting you're doing. Middle is retargeting, and bottom of funnel is how can we get our current buyers or people who had purchase intent and get them to buy even more, or come back into the ecosystem and buy again, or buy high ticket, right? Or go into another offer or another funnel. Graphic design, their ad image graphics, headers for websites, banners, and logo refinement, any other graphics requested on demand. Multiple landing pages created and split A and B tested for ultimate optimization. So if a client has a current landing page that's converting very, very well, we will take that landing page and we will simply make an A/B split test of our own copywriters and see if ours beats their control, which most of the time it does. Full copywriting services available, plus constant review and optimization post-launch from a dedicated senior copywriter. 5 dedicated specialists working on your account, plus review of the final campaign from Jason Wojo prior to launch. I review the campaigns. I put that personalized touch and tailor it in there because people ultimately want to work with me. Complimentary onboarding setup, $2,500 value, tracking implementation and results analytics reporting weekly. So we use Whatagraph for our weekly reporting. Complimentary on-demand one-on-one Zoom calls with your marketing consultant. No, that's not with me, with your marketing consultants, either with Andrew or Chris or another one of our marketing consultants or managers. On-demand video editing, video scripts for your campaign. So that would be the copywriter handling the video scripts. Then we have Ronak, Steven, and now we just hired a new guy, Keith, who will be doing those, video edits. E-commerce app setup, programming, and customization. Now that's a really cool part because a lot of e-com store owners don't actually know how to set up the right apps or what settings to put, so we can just fast track them and do it that way. And that actually does take a lot of time because it depends on the automations and settings in place, so it doesn't conflict with other settings that have been placed on the store. And then full build out plus implementation of email, SMS, text campaigns added on. Combined, these add-ons are on average producing an additional $32K per month in revenue for our clients, which is true. We have some clients doing $15K a month in revenue, up to 40, 50. I have a couple clients making over 6 figures a month in email and SMS alone. So obviously those implementations do take time, but they do make a lot of money when they're done correctly. And this is the 5K offer that you need to be pushing in your business right now, because yes, you could sell 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, but when you have email and SMS, you need to be charging a lot more. And even if you're doing ad campaigns as well, if you were to sell email and SMS on its own, I mean, if you're not really an email marketing agency or an ad agency, you could still like white label it, or you could third party it. which is fine, but less margins. Or you can do a JV with another email marketing agency that maybe specializes for e-com stores with Klaviyo. That's going to be a huge JV that you probably want to develop or find in a network, a Facebook group, whatever the case may be, find somebody. Or you can just simply build SOPs around it, hire someone on Upwork or, onlinejobs.ph to do that for, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month, and they can handle 5 to 7 accounts easily. So hope this video brought you value and gave you your next offer that you can now push on the phone. But I appreciate you guys stopping by. So comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate all the love I've been getting recently. Everybody's been telling me that this is like the most underrated channel they've ever watched because of the daily content. So I appreciate it a lot. We have a whole team behind this, and I'm just really friggin' pumped about what's to come because we're growing very rapidly. In my opinion, a lot of people will say, well, you don't have 1 million subs. It's not about 1 million. It's about the growth of where you currently are and knowing those KPIs and those numbers. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple 7-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30